kVA, 6 kVA Deye inverter with 16 kilowatt.
Alright guys, so this is a brief walkthrough of a 6 kVA times 2, that is 12 kVA Deye inverter with 16 kilowatt lithium battery installation we did. Okay, so this is my colleague trying to tidy up the bus bar. So here we are trying to access this new model of Deye, their connectors, where they connect the RJ45 connectors, the battery wires and all that. So this is the specification of the inverter. So this is very authentic, very lightweight but very rugged inverter. So this is when me and my colleague were just doing the connection aspect, tidying up the wire.
I'm setting up 6 kVA, 6 kVA Deye inverter with 16 kilowatts Deye lithium battery. So this is the process when I talk.
Okay, so after the connections, after we run our connection, output connection, make sure we connected everything based on what we want to achieve. So we want the two 6 kVA, 12 kVA to supply one output. That means we need to parallel the inverter. So we did our output wires must be connected together, input wire must be connected together. We connected our parallel RJ45 cable for communication between the parallel connections. So this is we setting up the master and slave configuration. So it's very simple. If you go to the touch screen settings of the 6 kVA inverter, you go to advanced settings, you scroll down, you are going to see the options. Set the inverter you want to set to master, also tick the parallel cable, then you confirm the settings. Very simple settings. Mind you, after everything has communicated, Deye, it will have to do its shakara. So we have to allow it for some minutes before it now supplied output. Both input works the same way. You need to give it some time to load, to boot, which is actually very cool. It's actually a preventive built-in fixture. So it allows to give, it takes one to 2 minutes for its input charging to enter and output to boot up. Okay. So after everything was working fine. Just set up the communication with the battery. Everything was cool. You see, so this is the final product. Very artistic, very nice. So send us a DM if you need your own solar system. So mind you, this doesn't have a solar panel. This is going to be charging with NEPA for now. All right. So everything is working fine. The charging is charging with up to 2.2 kilowatts, drawing up to 21 amps for charging the NEPA. So the battery is boosting 50%. So everything is fine. And that is how we signed out.